Good morning, teacher. My name is Juan Flores. I am 10-year class D. Topic. I am going to complete some ideas. For example, yesterday 7 p.m. was playing video games. Last night my sister was running. Yesterday at 9 a.m. my parents went on the work in the morning. At 10 p.m. we were students. At 10 p.m. where we were students. One Monday and Monday they were having lunch. And yesterday at 8 p.m. Honey went you for a walk. Thank you, listen. Good morning.